Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to lower your bills using Rocket Money. If you don't have a Rocket Money account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Recurring. On this screen, scroll down to the bottom. Then you will see a button that says Lower My Bills. Tap on Lower My Bills. Next, tap on Get Started. Now, search for your provider, or browse from the list. After that, you can either log into your account, or upload a screenshot or PDF of your bill. Also, enter all the required information such as your account PIN, mobile number, and address. You could also provide an alternate PIN and special instruction, but it's optional. After entering, tap on Continue. Next, select a payment amount as a charge for their service. This will only be charged to you if they will be able to lower your bill. Tap on the option you prefer. Then tap on Continue. Read and review the fee. If it looks good, tap on Agree and Continue. Lastly, select a payment method. Then tap on Agree and Submit. And that's how you lower your bills using Rocket Money. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.